This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with charcoal. First, selecting the right charcoal is crucial. Hardwood lump charcoal burns hotter and cleaner than briquettes, offering a more natural flavor. Next, we'll cover lighting your charcoal effectively. A chimney starter is highly recommended, as it gets your coals glowing in about 15 to 20 minutes without lighter fluid. Finally, mastering airflow is key to temperature control, allowing you to achieve perfect results every time. Understanding direct versus indirect heat is fundamental to charcoal grilling. Direct heat, where food is placed directly over the coals, is ideal for searing thin cuts of meat, like a 1-inch thick steak, or quickly cooking burgers and hot dogs. For larger items, such as a whole chicken or a rack of ribs, indirect heat is your best friend. This involves placing the food away from the direct heat source, allowing it to cook slowly and evenly, preventing burning and ensuring tenderness. Achieving consistent temperatures is vital for successful charcoal cooking. The primary way to control heat is by adjusting your grill's vents. Opening the vents allows more oxygen, increasing the temperature, while closing them reduces airflow and lowers the heat. Always use a good quality grill thermometer. Relying solely on guesswork can lead to inconsistent results. For example, a grill running at 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect for low and slow smoking, while 350 to 400 degrees is great for roasting. Having the right tools makes charcoal cooking much easier and safer. A sturdy chimney starter, long-handled tongs, and a reliable grill brush are indispensable. Safety is paramount. Always grill outdoors in a clear, open space, at least 10 feet away from any structures or dry vegetation. Never use water to extinguish hot coals. Instead, close all vents and allow them to cool completely, which can take up to 48 hours. Then, dispose of the ash in a non-combustible container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.